Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is to err is human, to forgive is divine. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Discuss. Hi everyone, let's talk about this topic. And this saying essentially, what does it mean is that making mistakes is a human nature. And it's a natural part of being human, whether small or big. It uh, it's a human nature and everybody does make mistakes. On the other side, uh, forgiveness is a divine nature. It's something higher virtue, transcending human nature. So what? Why this topic is important? This topic is important in the sense that it prompts us to reflect and understand that making mistakes is normal. It's a human nature, and it helps us in understanding and have an empathy and compassion for others. When we accept that it's normal to make mistakes, and what happens is that we become less judgmental of others, uh, because we know that we all make mistakes, right? And and forgiveness allows us to let go of resentment, let go of bitterness, and it also gives you a mental peace as well. So what's the message? What can we take away from this topic? Topic is, well, embracing the truth of to err is human and to forgive is divine. What happens is that we strive to cultivate this forgiveness in our lives, and uh, and this might involve, you know, uh, letting go of your grudges, practicing empathy, and try to be more understanding towards others' mistakes. And this really, make it really empowers you as well. Thank you. That's it.